Good morning. This is Fred from Technical Support Team at Digiray. Today, I'm going to explain to you how to replace the front board and the ledge optic plate. Today, we're going to need only the 2.5 hex key. It's much easier than to replace the other part. First of all, you can see there's like two cables in here. This one is usually from the front door assembly. Yeah, try to disconnect all the cables from here. Okay. And then you can see there are lots of cables through here, like a laser or the PSD left, right, or the other cables from the bottom. So just remove all the cables from here. Okay, but before that, you can see there's a 16 cable coming through the main board to the front board. So please don't forget to disconnect this flat cable also. Okay. After that, you can see there's like three ports here. 1, 2, 3. So just try to disassemble here. 1, 2, 3. You see, this one is the old. You can just disassemble the front board. After that, now I'm going to explain to you how to replace the laser optic plate. This is okay, let me show you a little bit further. This is what we call whole laser optic assembly. But this one's include like a PSD or eraser board in here. So if this is not really a common issue, but if you have like something wrong from the laser optic plate, then I'm going to explain to you how to replace the laser optic plate. See, there's like 4 boards in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now all the cables are already disconnected from the front board, so just try to remove it all. I mean disassemble that. After that, you just like push back the laser from the assembly, just a little bit backside. Then now you can replace the laser optic plate. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain to you how to assemble the laser optic plate and the front board. So, okay. First, get the position. Be aware of this part is to fix the flat cable from the main board in the 60-pin cable. So you can see there's like a four holes in here. Of course, then we need to try to be matched with this area. You can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. I told you. Please be aware a little bit. Okay. After that, okay, just try to put the board again. In this case, I want to recommend you that always I'm not fix it perfectly at the first time. Make the balance first. Just this is my opinion, but I guess all the like mechanical, the mechanism is almost like similar. So try to be aware of to make the balance every time, please. One, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm gonna fix it. Not that hard, but make it enough it, please. Okay. Okay, so now I just finished to reassemble the laser optic plate, and after that, of course, I'm gonna to assemble the front board again. Well, just this is my case, so yeah, for my case I just put all the cables through the front board first. You can see that there's like written of the information about cables, like a PSD right, or here's from the like laser, so you'll find it easily. Okay, after that, don't forget the flat cable. As I mentioned, that please don't make mistake like me, like this way, or a little bit like diagonals from only assemble like this way. Okay? Try to make the balance. See? I just insert here like make the balance. After that, yeah, try to insert the volt again. One, two, three. Finally, we have the two cables for the front door assembly. So please don't forget to connect it when you're done, and then connect with the front door assembly with the front board. Okay, so today's done. The explained about how to replace the laser optic plate and the front board. If you need any like further technical issue, always welcome. Thanks a lot.